children, let me ask you one question. Do you know what is more important when we are working something, when you are working or when you are doing something? No, what is the most important thing you need? Can you tell me? Yes, what is that? Very good. Focus. Focus is very important when we are doing or something or when we are achieving something. No, for completing we need focus. If you lost your focus, you can't complete what you are going to do. Okay. So and also if you lost your focus and you will started to make excuses. So always be focused on what you are doing. Suppose if you are writing, means concentrate on your writing itself. You should not watch TV or you should not do any other thing. Or else if you lost your focus, your work will be pending or it will be failed only. Okay. So this is a just short motivation thought I wanted to give you. So in your life always be focused and always do something what you like and show your all your talent or something in whatever you are doing. Okay. So let me start what I'm going to help you to learn in this video. In this video you are going to learn about the topic that is adverbs. What is the topic? Yes, adverb. Can you tell me what is the meaning of adverb? Have you learned this word or about this topic in 3rd standard? Yes children, you may have learned about the definition of adverbs. Am I right? In this video you are going to learn about what is adverbs and what are the types of adverbs. So let me start give you the definition for adverbs. Okay. So adverbs are the words which are used to add more meaning to a verb. The name itself has a meaning. You can see when you pronounce adverb, it means add more meaning to the verbs. Okay, add more meaning to the verbs. So it is going to talk or it is going to describe only about the verbs only. Okay. So we have already learned about the adjective. What adjective will do? What are the words? What are the adjective words do? Yes, they will describe about the nouns. But adverbs describe only the verbs only. It means it will add more meaning to the verbs. Okay, let me give you some example for Lalita walks quickly or Lalita walks slowly. Okay, Lalita walks slowly. Here the word slowly stand for the adverb only. How? Because slowly it's give a meaning to the verb that is walk. Okay. When I say Lalita walks, it's also a complete sentence, but I'm adding more thing. I'm adding more meaning to the verb only, like how she is walking. Lalita walks slowly. So here slowly is an adverb. So are you clear with what are adverbs? Yes children, keep in your mind that adverb means it is used to add more meaning to the verbs only. And I repeat again, adverbs are the words, those words which add more meaning or which talks more thing about the verbs are the adverbs only. So I hope you all understand the meaning of adverbs. Let's learn the types of adverbs. So in what are the ways we can use these adverbs words? Okay, there are lots of adverbs. So let's learn its type. Okay, so there are 4 types of adverbs. How many types? Yes, 4 types of adverbs, and they are adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, and adverbs of frequency. I repeat again, adverbs of manner. In short, I have written manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, and adverbs of frequency. Okay, so these are the 4 types of adverbs. So here they have divided into 4. Why? For your understanding only. So what these adverbs of manners tells us? Okay, what the adverbs of time tell us? Let's learn about this one by one. Okay, so let's learn about the first type of adverb, that is adverbs of manner. What is that? Yes, adverbs of manner. These adverbs of manners tells us how the verbs. What are verbs? Yes, action words only. The action. Run, walk, eat, sleep, and sing, dance, and these are the verbs only. In other words, we can say like action words. Okay. So these adverbs of manner words used to tell us about how the action is done, how the verb has done. Okay. So how the action is done. Let's learn with verb. Ran means what? It is the past tense of run. Running, right? He ran. If I say he ran means it is also a complete sentence only. He ran. But I am adding one more word like fastly. Fastly. It means what? He ran fastly. Avar vegama nadakra. That is the meaning. Am I right? So when I add this fastly word means it is going to describe about the verb only. How does he ran? How did he run? He ran fastly. So for the question how did he run will be what? Fastly. So that answer will be what, children? Yes. That answer is only the adverb. So when I am talking about a verb, when I am talking about the verb, I am asking the question how the verb has done, okay, how the action has completed, which is going to describe, no, those words are adverbs only. So here, which is adverb? Very good, fastly, okay, he ran fastly. So let's take the word fastly only. So when I take fastly means, does it describe about the subject he fastly? No, it doesn't give us a meaning, right? Ran fastly? Yes, running. How he is running? He is running fastly. So the word fastly is an adverb only. Are you clear? So when you get a sentence, you need to check whether this word, okay, whether this word describe what, how or where or when of the a verb. Okay, so here fastly means it is going to describe how the person ran. Okay, how the person ran. He ran fastly. More example like she sings nicely. She sings nicely. I am just adding one more word, that is nicely stand for adverb. How? Because here the word nicely describe about her singing only, right? That action only. So the words like one more I can write here, like slowly, lazily, nicely. These are the some example for the adverbs of manner. Okay, for the times for the first type, that is adverbs of manner only. Keep in your mind that only this shortcut, this key only. Okay, this keyword, that is adverbs of manner means it is going to tell us how the action is done. How the action is done. So here the action has been done fastly. So the question will be what? How he ran. That is the fastly. So that answer will be an adverb. Okay. So let's go for the second type. That is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. So adverbs of time. Time means what? It is used to help us to tell the when the thing has been done, right? We get the time only, actual time when this thing happened, when the thing has been done already. So those things. So when we get the time or something, no, if I tell you with example, then it will be very clear for you. See, adverbs of time will be used to tell us when the action is done, when the action is done, like the time of the action, whether the action has been done in the evening or in the morning or at 5 o'clock or yesterday or tomorrow. So when they are talking about the time of the action, no, that refers to the second type, that is adverbs of time. So let's learn with example, that is they will come tomorrow. They will come tomorrow. Here will come, this come stand for verb. Okay, come, avanga vandu varuvanga. I can say like avanga vandu varuvanga. This is also a complete sentence only, but I am using an adverb to add more meaning to the verb only. Okay, see, when I say tomorrow means I am telling the time of this action. When will they come? They will come tomorrow. So for the answer for this question will be adverb only, tomorrow. So here tomorrow stand for what, children? Adverb. So what do you understand by the second type, that is adverbs of time? Yes, adverbs of time tell us about when the action has been done, the time of the action. Like they will come, when will they come? You need to ask yourself the question like this: when will they come? They will come tomorrow. Or when will they come? They will come on Monday. So the Monday, Sunday or at 5 o'clock in the evening, those timing words, no? These are adverbs only. Are you clear, children? So what are adverbs of time? Example just now I gave. Yes, tomorrow, yesterday, in the evening or in the morning, at night, at 5 o'clock. So these are the some adverbs of time only. So I hope you are clear with first two types. Let's go for the third one. That is adverbs of place. What is that? Yes, adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. Place means what? Yes, the area, right? So it is this adverbs of place is used to tell us where the action has been done. Okay, இது என்ன சொல்ல போகுது? எங்க அந்த action வந்து நடந்தது? The place of the action. See with example, we play in the park. We play in the park. Here play is a verb. We play. We play. Where did you play? We play in the park. We play in the park. Here in the park is an adverb. So adverbs of place used to tell us where the verb, where the action has been done. We play in the park or we play in my friend's house. Okay, so here which is an adverb? We play in my friend's house. Yes, my friend's house is an adverb. And also I can say we go to Chennai. Okay, we go to Chennai. So here which is an adverb? Yes, this word Chennai is an adverb only. So keep in your mind. So what are adverbs of place? Yes, adverbs of place means which is used to tell us where the action is done, where the verb is done. Example, in the park or in the temple or in my friend's house, any area name, okay, any place name if you find which is used to tell us about the verb's place, okay. So that will refer to the adverb only. Okay. So let's go for last one. Frequency. Adverbs of frequency. Frequency is nothing but it is used to tell us about how many times the action has done. Okay. Whether the action is continuously it is repeating or it is happening. It doesn't happen ever or it always it will happen. So when we are getting those answer no, that stand for adverb only. So here let's learn with the example, that is it rains often in Assam. Here rains is a verb. Rains it is a verb and often means adikadi. இங்க வந்து மழை வந்து அசாம்ல அடிக்கடி மழை பெய்யும். Okay, often means what? அடிக்கடி. அப்ப அடிக்கடி பெய்யும்னா அடிக்கடி means it tells us about how many times. Okay, அடிக்கடி பெய்யும் இல்ல பெய்யவே பெய்யாது அந்த மாதிரி words will be adverb only. So here often will be an adverb. So one more I can say that I never go to school. I never go to school. It means what? Here நான் வந்து ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகவே இல்லை அப்படி இருக்கும்போது here which is the adverb of frequency? Yes, never. And also I can say I always eat healthy food. I always eat healthy food. நான் எப்பவுமே வந்து healthy food தான் சாப்பிடுவேன். So here can you tell me the adverb of frequency? How many times the action has been done? Yes, always means எப்பவுமே நான் சாப்பிடுவேன். சாப்பிடுறது எப்போ சாப்பிடுவீங்க? எப்பவுமே தான் சாப்பிடுவேன். எவ்வளவு தடவை சாப்பிடுவீங்க? எப்பவுமே தான் சாப்பிடுவோம். அப்போ எப்பவுமே in English will be what? Always. So always is an adverb. So what are the some more example for adverbs of frequency? Sometimes, often, always or never, early or lately. These words are what? Example for adverbs of frequency. So children, I repeat again all these adverbs and adverbs type again. So what are adverbs? Yes, adverbs are the words which is used to add more meaning to the verb only. So there are 4 types of adverbs. They are adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place and adverbs of frequency. Manner means it is used to talk about how the action has done. Time means it will tell us when the action has done, and place means it will tell us where the action has done, and at last frequency used to tell us how many times the action has been done. So I hope you are clear with this topic, children. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.